This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. Global warming is one of the most significant problems facing the world today because of its frightening effects that are evident in the present world. Global warming is the tremendous increase in global temperatures, which results due to the trapping of heat in the atmosphere. Signs of global warming are evident all over the world with the increased temperatures, unpredictable climatic conditions, the disappearance of some species of birds and animals, and an increase in the sea level. Although people are not only aware but have also tasted the impacts of these effects, very few individuals have taken the required action to save the earth from destruction, as most people still embrace practices that are the primary causes of global warmings, such as the use of fossil fuels, deforestation, and the use of chemical fertilizers. Therefore, although some natural factors have contributed to global warming, human actions are the primary causes of global warming, and unless such practices are controlled, the likelihoods of saving the Earth from the effects of global warming, for example, drought, flooding, and extinctions of some species of flora and fauna, are minimal. Global warming causes. The primary causes of global warming are the most cherished human practices that have existed since time memorial. One of the primary causes of global warming is the increased amount of carbon dioxide emissions in the environment. With the ever-increasing use of electricity as one of the primary sources of energy in most sectors of the economy, there has been a continuous release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Electricity is primarily produced from the burning of coal in power plants, and because it is tough to survive without it, the likelihoods of such gases filling the earth are high. Carbon dioxide is one of the gases that trap heat energy in the atmosphere, leading to increased atmospheric temperatures. Another cause of global warming is the ever-increasing emission of greenhouse gases from the burning of gasoline. The modern car culture is one of the primary sources of greenhouse gases, as most transportation and manufacturing industries rely on fossil fuels as their primary source of fuel. Global warming is also a product of some agricultural practices, such as planting rice and paddies. Although agriculture is the backbone of most global economies, some agricultural practices are primary sources of some dangerous greenhouse gases, such as methane, as a result of the breaking down of bacteria in areas with a limited supply of oxygen. In addition to the increased use of fossil fuels and some agricultural practices that release dangerous gases into the environment, other human practices, such as deforestation, have also contributed to global warming. Although nowadays most individuals use cooking and other environmentally friendly sources of energy in their homes, the use of forests for fuel is expected because of the numerous trees that are cut daily for charcoal and wood. Further, the need for land to accommodate the ever-increasing population numbers has forced most societies to encroach into forested or protected land. Deforestation destroys trees, which are the primary air purifiers, as they help to remove carbon dioxide from the environment. On the other hand, the use of chemical fertilizers that are rich in nitrogen has also contributed to global warming, as nitrogen compounds have one of the most incredible heat-trapping capacities. Effects of global warming. As a result of the numerous contributions of human actions to global warming, human beings must bear the brunt of their actions, which, unless they accept control, the well-being of future generations will be at stake. One evident effect of global warming is the rising level of sea level caused by the melting of the ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland. The effects of such increases are evident, as floods and massive storms have become one of the most prevalent calamities that face most societies year in and year out. In addition, there has been an increase in other deadly calamities, such as droughts and tropical diseases that are connected to global warming, hence, the need for individuals to cooperate and save the world. Further, research studies show some species of birds, such as the Adelie penguins, have drastically reduced in numbers, a case that is likely to become worse if people do not take responsibility for their actions, as most species of flora and fauna will find it very hard to adapt to new ecosystems. Global warming, causes and effects conclusion. In conclusion, considering the deadly nature of the effects of global warming and because global warming is primarily a product of human activities, there is a need for collective responsibility to save Mother Nature. Failure to do this can lead to numerous devastating calamities that will significantly jeopardize the well-being of both present and future generations. This essay on global warming, causes and effects was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.